Welcome to Rust Modules and Crates. As your Rust projects grow, you need ways to organize your code. Modules help you group related functionality together and control what's public or private. In this lesson, you'll learn to declare modules with mod, control visibility with pub, simplify paths with use, and work with the standard library. Let's organize. Modules are Rust's way of organizing code. You create a module with the mod keyword. Everything inside the curly braces belongs to that module. By default, everything in a module is private. To make a function accessible from outside, add the pub keyword before fn. Public means other code can call it. Private functions can only be called from within the same module. This lets you hide implementation details while exposing a clean interface. Modules can be nested. Here we have a shapes module containing circle and rectangle submodules. Each submodule has its own area function. To call a function from a module, use the path syntax with double colons. Greetings, hello, calls the hello function inside greetings. The output shows our module functions working. The greetings module prints messages, and the shapes modules calculate areas. Modules keep your code clean and organized. Typing full module paths every time is tedious. The use keyword brings items into scope so you can use them directly. It's like creating a shortcut. We define math_utils with add and multiply functions, plus a nested advanced module with a power function. This gives us functions to import. Use statements import specific functions. Now we can call add directly instead of math. _utils : add. Use can also import from nested modules. The as keyword creates an alias. Here we import format _number as FMT. This is useful for long names or avoiding conflicts between modules. The output shows our imported functions working. Add, multiply, and power work without full paths. The FMT alias also works perfectly. Use makes code cleaner. Rust's standard library, called std, contains many useful modules. Today we'll use HashMap and HashSet from std::: collections. HashMap stores key-value pairs. We create one with HashMap new, then insert pairs with insert. The keys are strings and values are integers. We iterate with a for loop and get values with the get method. Get returns an option because the key might not exist. HashSet stores unique values. When we try to insert apple twice, the duplicate is ignored. Contains checks if a value exists in the set. The output demonstrates HashMap iteration, value lookup, HashSet uniqueness, and environment variable access. The standard library is powerful and always available. Excellent work! You've learned Rust modules. You can now organize code with mod, control visibility with pub, simplify paths with use and as, and leverage the standard library. Modules are essential for building larger Rust projects. In the next lesson, we'll dive deep into Cargo, Rust's package manager.